Yeah, students, good morning. Today we are going to see about the application that is domain and methodology based about the deep learning. Okay, so last video we have discussed about the domain based applications, and here we are going to see about the methodology based applications in detail in the real time examples. Okay, and you just see the it's a continuation of application review what we discussed earlier, and application of deep learning. Some amazing and recent applications of deep learning are here represented. You could see the picture. It is doing the recognition of facial recognition, and the main thing it is used. We can have some list of applications, like automatic machine translation, object classification in photograph, character text generation, colorization of black and white images, automatic gameplay. Okay, so these are some interesting applications. Could deep learning is involved in a major, and day-to-day applications also we are using these things, right? And from the in the image, while using the photography, in our camera itself, smart camera itself, it will recognize our face, it will picture. And nowadays we could see, that is, we can take the photograph, and for example, I'm telling one example, that is, for example, in a graduation day, we are used to have all graduates. Okay, for example, in a institution we have 1,000 graduates are going to get a graduation. In that, the all the individual students are is going on the stage and getting their graduation certificate in the hand of chairman or vice chancellor or principal. Okay, so their photo it must be needed. For that, some app or software is created using this deep learning techniques, that image face recognition. What it does, you need to upload your passport size photo, any sample photo. So using that, it will fetch your exact photo out of the 1,000 images, and it will fetch your photo and it will give to you. Okay, so this reduces our time consumption as well as our effort to search, and making time consuming and reducing the time consuming process. Okay, so this is how the technology nowadays its roles and rules our life, day to day life, and it simplify our task. Okay, and coming to the next application of deep learning, that is, we can see the Google lens in our mobile phones and laptop and whatnot. And so this Google lens is a set of vision based computing capabilities that allows your smartphone to understand what's going on, photo, video, or live feed. Okay, for instance point, your phone at floor, and Google Lens will tell you on the screen which type of flower it is. So we can easily identify what it is, instead of surfing through the net and matching the identification. The deep learning algorithm, the artificial intelligence, it makes sense and it will deliver the answer. Only the thing we need to verify finally. Not sure, it is not going to be a fault. It's a random check. So anyhow, being a human, we need to use our intelligence how to ensure. Okay, so you can aim the camera at a restaurant sign to see the reviews and other information. So likewise, now major things are followed. The application, it includes the application of deep learning. And coming to the translation, it is a very 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 important role, a crucial role, because we all have a multiple languages. While moving to one country to another country, we may have we suffer a lot. So for that, it is very much important applications, and it will be useful to the society. This is a situation where you are given words in some language, and you have to translate the words to desired language. That may be English, because we used to have a English. So this kind of translation is a classical example of image recognition. Okay, so some image is recognized, and the letters what it is mentioned, it is translated to a English, and we can understand very easily, so that we will be get benefited. And the next application, we could see the instant visual translation. This is very much needed when we are in a foreign countries, or some unknown countries, that is unknown languages they are using, and images is there. So if we make the click on it and it will immediately convert to our known language. Which language preference we want, we will do that icon as a preference, and we will make and we will get the response. Okay, so this is how the instant visual translation will be done. And coming to the self-driving cars, yes, nowadays the autonomous cars is is coming over. So it will make the sensation, the wi-fi, and now the fastest growth, the wi-fi also, light fidelity and wi-fi wireless fidelity, all those things. And the deep learning mechanism, it will identify how much distance the car is coming, and front and back and side, rear view, all those things it will be measured. And according to the speed, and what are the speed, where we have the speed limit, that is speed breaker is there, and where the pedestrian crossing is there, all those things it will be observed and programmed well. And it will do their own process as per the obstacles, and what are the constraints, how to follow. So this is the self-autonomous driving cars. So this is how we have the so many applications. And coming to the next application, automatic machine translation. So the machine translation also, what it asks, so it will convert into automatic, in which we need to choose our preferred language, so that it will convert it according to our convenient language. Okay, so here what is your name and cooking teacher, and it will be converted to and some other language, what they which language they would prefer. So these are the applications review based upon the methodological. And we'll have some glimpse about it. So here it is, application of deep learning, and the usage of Google Lens, and translation, some image is having something is written, and it will be converted into our known language. Likewise, instant visual translation, self-driving cars are the examples of uh, deep learning applications. Okay, so still, I think we almost cover all the areas under the deep learning. Thank you so much for your passion listening. Thank you.